inclusiveness for me personally is, as Mr. Hegre said, it's about a citizen being able to respect and identify another individual, and I'm elaborating a little further, as an individual. And when we come to respect each other and look at each other at par and speak to each other as you and I are over here, not because we are up on stage or because we are carrying certain designations, but because we recognize the potential that exists in each one of us. And for me, rural India and all of India, every individual, as Elena beautifully pointed out, we all have the potential. But we are somehow stunted by what we are taught, by the lens that we look through. And I think that is where the growth of India also gets stunted, gets restricted, and pretty much like a carburetor of a car, which when it has dirt or malfunctions, no matter how amazing and amazing horsepower, whatever car it may be, it will stall because there's something holding it back. And unless and until that is not fixed, there is no way we can actually move forward. And that's how I see, that's how I look at our country, because we have huge potential. That is something that everyone speaks of, not just within our country, more so when people are looking inwards from outside of our country. And yet I feel, while the states, and by state I mean the government, be it the various individual states or the nation as a state, we talk about things. There is the intent, there is the desire to make the country move forward. And yet, there is something missing. There's something that's holding us back. There's that dirt in the carburetor, or there's some malfunctioning that is not allowing us to recognize and hit the full throttle that we are very, very capable of. And I think that is what we all, as a collective force, need to do. So as of today, I'm thrilled and honored to get to be at sessions like these because I feel that rural India does not get represented. And I am here not in a personal capacity, not as a Sarpanch, not as an MBA Sarpanch, but as an individual who belongs to this nation, who is proud of my country, pretty much like all of you seated upon the stage, and I'm hoping and guessing all of you in the audience as well. And here is where I want to nudge all of you to understand that we all need to participate. That's one thing that Shantanu said right at the beginning, that it's the job of the government, but I disagree there. It's a job of each one of us. It is our responsibility towards each other, whether we live in cities or we live in the rural parts of India, to help each other out, to help people who are in need. We are privileged, as Alina said, and rightfully so. We were lucky, we were born into places where we got better education, we had access to greater opportunities. But what are we doing with it? Yes, we've earned the money. Yes, we're wearing branded clothes and carrying branded bags and so on and so forth. But what are we doing to help the people sitting beside us, with us, working for us, bringing comfort to us? So I'm here speaking for those many voices which don't get this opportunity to be heard, about their aspirations, about their desires, about their dreams. Because unless until we do not assist and help and push and nudge and inspire and support those individuals, then that growth story that we wish to see, and I'm incorporating, when I'm saying growth, I'm speaking of both development and growth, not just economic, but also individual, because I believe, and this is from my own observation, which I'm sure all of you have also somewhere seen, but perhaps not bothered to pay much attention to, or stop and take a step back and address it, that unless and until we don't empower individuals to be able to uplift themselves economically, then for them to have a vision for themselves, for them to try and attain their personal individual dreams, it becomes near to impossible, especially when you're trying to make ends meet on a daily basis, when you don't have regular and a sustainable source of income. And that is where people like you and I need to step up, because it is each one of our responsibility. We can't just say, it is a particular sector or a particular institution, be it the private sector or be it us as citizens of the country, I would nudge you and plead to you to step up and step forward.